Yo, what is up, guys? It is Oracle Investing here, and today I'm here with the Options Owl and the Gains Gator. I'm the Financial Ferret. Do I need to say more? We are talking about the top 5 EV stock picks of 2020 December. Guys, get ready for this. I mean, let's just kick it right off, Options Owl. Let's hear it for number 5.
Number 5 is an easy pick. It's the king of all EV car manufacturers right now in the eyes of most people. Not in our eyes, but it's up there. You can't forget about it when you're talking about EV stocks. Tesla. Tesla's at the forefront. Everyone loves Tesla. They're the cool thing now. Everyone wants to get a Tesla. The thing is, they just can't produce the number of cars that people want. But it is a player in the field, okay? It is a player in the field.
I mean, we called Tesla back in 2016, guys. It's not a good pick anymore. It's no longer a home run, guys, but, you know, it might be a free walk, if you know what I'm saying. You might be getting hit with the ball. You might be walking on a first base. I mean, Tesla, it's still got a little bit of growth, guys. Massive market cap, and that's what we're scared of, you know, like, and I don't even know if they have the first mover advantage anymore.
I don't think so. I mean, you got to realize that first mover advantage is big for small companies. Tesla's not a small company anymore. It's a huge company with high expectations, and now it's just they have to meet those expectations to justify their market cap.
And I just don't see it
they're
happening.
Gonna fall.
I just don't see it happening. It's still a long-term pick, you know, 5 years, 4 years, whatever. Still a good long-term pick, but guys, I just think this is over. I mean, let's just kick it right out. Let's forget Tesla. Shitler, as I say. And let's bring it into number 4. Let's hear it, Options Out.
Number 4, when you're thinking about EV stocks, don't just focus on the car manufacturers.
Nope.
That's the biggest mistake people are making now. They're just looking at car manufacturers, at people who make batteries, right? But what you got to look at are the other players in the game.
Vertical integration.
Vertical integration all the way, up and down, okay? Waste management.
Yep.
They're going to be the people who are processing those batteries when they're out of juice. Because you got to realize a battery doesn't last forever. Lithium-ion batteries, they don't last forever. They eventually degrade to the point where they're useless. And you're going to have billions, if not trillions of dollars worth of batteries that have to be recycled. And who's the number one company recycling these batteries right now? Waste management. Waste management is a player in the entire waste game.
Huge.
Everyone's always going to have garbage. Garbage is always going to be a problem. Waste management is a safe, long-term growth stock, and I'm talking huge gains.
Absolutely massive.
In 2020. Huge gains.
Guys,
2021.
I'm just getting excited.
2x.
Guys, we were going to do a video on waste companies, but we couldn't even find 5 other waste companies. Waste management is the pick. It's number 1 in the waste company top pick list. And there's no other ones. We couldn't even make it top 5.
There's really no other player.
Yeah.
There's no other player.
I mean, let's just get right into the next company.
Number 3.
VW.
Back to a car manufacturer. You just said it. Volkswagen. These guys are making tons of cars. Next year, they're projected to make more electric vehicles, entirely electric vehicles, than Tesla and all the other EV company startups combined in their entire existence.
I've just got to say something. I mean, this may be a controversial thing to say, but VW's a German company, and what are Germans known for? Innovation. Guys, World War II, Germans innovated. After World War II, you ever heard of NASA? You may have well called that Nazi Germany. There's so many German freaking scientists in there. These guys are known for innovation. These guys are crazy. I mean, if any company's going to do it, guys, VW is a great pick for innovation. They're going to, like, honestly, I can't even think of the things they're going to do in the EV market, but I just know that if you had to pick one company to do it, one car manufacturing company to do it, could be VW. You got anything else to say about it, Options Hour?
I think Volkswagen is just one of those companies that they're huge. They know how to manufacture in volume.
Yeah.
Remember that. Manufacturing in volume. The one thing that Tesla is struggling with right now. Volume manufacturing. Let's move on to the next pick.
This is second up.
Volume manufacturing.
This is second up. This is second on the list, guys. It's not the best. It's second. Let's hear it. Nissan.
Nissan, or however they pronounce it over there in Kiwi land, right? Nissan. This is the absolute premier pick
For car
for the
manufacturing.
electrical vehicle car manufacturers. They make the Leaf. You
The
see them
Leaf.
all over. The Leaf is a proven concept. They're going to be branching out, making all kinds of electric vehicles. Nissan, little known fact, they teamed up with the French on this one. The French company Renault owns a major stake in Nissan. They're teaming up to make perfect engines, perfect transmissions. They don't even need transmissions in these EV cars. They've already mastered it.
Crazy.
Nissan is perfect. We have a guy in here who may be a little biased towards Nissan, maybe a little partial towards Nissan because he just bought himself a new Nissan Leaf last year.
And
we got
Financial Ferret.
Just announce them.
And guys, give it up for the number one pick, and we've brought in Gaines Gator to talk about this. I mean, if you haven't already guessed the pick, you're not watching the channel, you're way out of the EV market. This is the number one pick. It's going to the moon. Let's hear it up, Gaines Gator. Tell us what that number one pick is. Let's hear it.
And I tell you right now, you know what it is. All of you know it is Pandasonic. It is the best. It is going sky high. You hear these other ones? They're nothing compared to this one. This one is far and ahead number one, and that's for a damn good reason. You know why? Because these guys are producing the batteries that a lot of these cars are going to be running on, a lot of these companies are going to be using, and a lot of these, especially waste management companies, are going to be recycling. Why wouldn't this be number one? They all rely on it. And it just all comes together. At the top, the pinnacle, the top of the pyramid, Pandasonic. You heard it here. You know that. You can trust me. You can rely on me. I'm giving it to you right now. Number one pick. Boom.
You heard it here first. I mean, Gaines Gator, he found that pick years ago. He's
been on the Pandasonic train for a long time. Gaines Gator was the one who in 2016 called Tesla. We were laughing at him. We said, Tesla, no way. But he was pushing Tesla so hard, we finally gave in, and we're like, all right, fine, we'll invest in Tesla in 2016. One of the best financial decisions of our lives. You have another chance to basically pick up a second Tesla with even more growth potential.
Absolutely
Pandasonic.
Pandasonic. I mean, guys, that's what we got time for today. If you like the videos, make sure to subscribe, hit that bell, and join the Discord. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up. Go check out our other content. Give that a thumbs up as well, even if you don't watch the video. Thanks a lot, guys. You're listening to Oracle Investing. This is the Financial Ferret.